It's home tour day and I'm excited because today I actually got to play pickleball. I've only been playing, I think since January, I played 4 times because I'm working to bring you beautiful homes so you can start living this lifestyle like I do, but you actually get to play in the lifestyle. I have to work it. Anyway, I am here in Water's Edge. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath anchor floor plan, and there's room for a pool, and you're just like so close to all the new cool stuff in Eastport. I love it there. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. Make this home yours. I'm your girl, and I always say make them an offer they can't refuse. I know it's corny, but I'm Italian. You can't help it. All right, let's go on in and take a look around, and when you're ready to make the purchase, you got to give me a call. Here we are outside. No, you're good. All right, we'll start off in the garage, guys. You're welcome. Nice, clean. This feels like it's a little bit bumped. Nova home water filter. Of course, we are rear Eastport, and we all have natural gas down here, so it's tankless hot water. Oh, wait till you see. I'm having my garage redone. I will have a video on that entire transformation. I'm super excited about it. So you walk in from the garage, and this is where your air handler is, in this closet in your garage foyer. A nice little antique piece here. But let me take you into the laundry room. Look how cool this is. She's done some really nice work. Added cabinets. So it feels like a space. It doesn't feel like you're trapped here doing laundry like Charlie Bucket's mother. And if you know who Charlie Bucket's mother is, I want you to put down in the comments below what movie that's from. Yeah, so that's why I like this floor plan. You have that laundry and it's separate. And people, they have a pantry and they have some lights in here. So you can store all your food and trash without having to put it in your kitchen. High volume ceiling knockdown. Remember, we are in the south. White cabinets, white quartz countertops, and they have black hardware. Again, this is an anchor floor plan. There is room for a pool out back. I'll take you out back there in a moment. And we are in Water's Edge. So you want to get close to Eastport, I got it for you. And I'm going to put all the numbers, the bond CDD, because I don't remember what they are off the top of my head, in the description. You know, I'll flash it like I normally do across the bottom. Now, she did this woodworking, and it just gives the room such nice character. You know, it's not just your plain wall. Very cute. And ensuite bathroom. It does have dual sinks. Put the shiplap, changed out the lights, shower, and there's a pocket door there, so it's, you know, do your business private, and big walk-in closet. And there's tile in the bathroom. So I said it was LVP throughout, but it's not, but you know, it's tile. There is no carpet. How about that? It's just a warm, cozy feeling. It's bright and cheery. All right, so front door, I came in the garage. So I'll stand with my back to the front door so you can see it, but here are the second and third bedrooms, and each has a closet. And they're moving because she got transferred, and they need to be closer to Orlando. So unfortunately, they'll be leaving, but look what they're leaving behind for you. And this bedroom has a closet. They carry the same theme throughout. Hey, I'm gonna give you a tip. When you buy black, make sure you purchase, oh, my hair is wild. It's a mess. I had the roof up on my Jeep, but if you're gonna buy any type of fixture black, do me a favor, please buy good ones like Delta, Kohler, because I bought cheap ones. They looked pretty, I wouldn't say they're cheap, on Amazon, and they're all chipping, so I have to get new ones. But look how nice they did. It's a closet, but look how personalized it is. I love that. And they're lights so you can see. Plenty of storage. Right here, I'm gonna step over here in the doorway. That's a big kitchen. And you can get creative with however you want to utilize this space. I mean, you could move, if you had to have a dining table, you could put the TV on that wall, rearrange your furniture, maybe put the sofa over there in an L, and then put a dining table in this spot so you can really get creative with the space. You're not limited here. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Stainless steel appliances and big sink. You know how I like the big sink. All right, we're gonna go take a peek. It's actually warm out, but it's a little breezy, so it's a really nice day. This is a big lanai, and they hung the curtains up, so you get a little bit of privacy. You know, under 400,000, you're gonna really have a hard time finding private. And again, you've got a lot of room here. The property line is where those boxes are. So you have plenty of room. You could add on to this home. Pool, extended bird cage. You could make it private if you build like a little wall around it. And yeah. Gutters, and I love that white with the dark gutters and downspouts. It's just pretty to me. We have landscaping, some hardscaping on the side of the home. Take a look and walk around here. This is a great big lot. Hey, I've seen $1 million homes on lots this size. I'm going to say there's an easement on here, but you do have space on this side of the home. There we go. Hey, their landscaping looks pretty good. $7,427 Monday Lane. And today is Monday. It's a good day. That is a wrap. And Water's Edge, I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. I know my hair is all over the place and I keep talking. I was super excited today. I got to play pickleball, got a little bit of sun, a little bit of exercise. It felt great. You need to come here and enjoy this lifestyle with us. Call me. And we can make this home yours really quick. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and check this next video out. I think you're gonna like it. Until next time, I'll see ya.